Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your video on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you go to the new project button, you can start a new project. But in the project section you can find your old projects. Here you can find the different tools, but if you want to download your project, go to the left side of the screen, the left bar, and click to the third option. And here you can edit the resolution and the quality of the video. And if you select, just click to the export button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.